I wanna be an American singer, sing this Taylor Swift, composer, actress, director, and screen.
Recently, my eyes have been very swollen every morning. I found that it seems putting double eyelid stickers will reduce swelling faster. The grooming deepens the entire profile. Repair the EGO saliva. It can make the facial features more delicate. First, use a grooming color to base the entire orbital bone, especially the shadow of the outer orbital bone. You can extend it as much as possible. This will make the face appear less white. Just use a darker color. The smudge deepens slowly along the end of the eye. Repeat it, stacking to achieve a more profound effect. Black eyeliner pen to fill in the inner eyeliner. So the eyeliner still starts from the middle and is pulled out flat. Give it a smudge. The double eyelids are too long or not adjusted up enough. You can adjust it with double eyelid stickers. Eyeliner rising like this, it wouldn't be too weird. Then you can also use false eyelashes to assist in adjusting the sagging eye shape. The middle is still normal. Stick to the eyelashes from bottom to top. If you squeeze it out at the back, dip it in a little more eyelash glue. Press from top to bottom on the eyelashes at the end of the eye. Then when the glue is semi-dry, press slightly with the tail of the forceps to push up. Go and glue the real and false eyelashes together. The eyelashes at the end of the eyes will not cover the back end of the eyes. Brighten your eyes again. I usually use a light colored concealer. Go to the bottom first, and then you add that light pearlescent. It will be very, very bright. Eyeliner pen to open your eyes. Lower eyelashes. I seem to have forgotten the one I used before. This eyelash stem. It's very thick, mainly because I replaced this camera. It's really too advanced. I still recommend the previous one. First, use eyebrow powder to sweep out the approximate eyebrow shape. Eyebrow peak slightly. Pick up a little, then use a black eyebrow pencil to outline. Out of your own hair. Many friends have asked, how did the eyebrows draw this? Rooted hairy flu. In fact, as long as you follow your own hair flow direction, this is the most natural way. Then this line where the hairs meet, be sure to go and deepen his eyebrows a little. The whole thing will be more three-dimensional. Shadow below the brow. Connect it slightly with the nose shadow. Blush sweep at an angle of 45 degrees. Then slowly smudge into the middle. Go to the bridge of the nose and sweep horizontally. Smudge around the lips. I see that there are still many treasures to send to this one. More interested in decoration? You can search for this keyword. This makeup is done.